What's up, y'all? Today we're gonna be putting in a fan, all right? We got the fans on, and we're putting another fan in the van, all right? I'm gonna show you how to do it. People think this is the scariest part of the van build, but if you think that, then, hey man, get ready for van life, because it's gonna be a little bit scarier. A bunch of people creeping in your windows, looking around at what you're doing, trying to sell you lottery tickets, trying to come in there, sleep with you. Hey, can I hang out? Hey, I knew you from college. I didn't go to college, I went to high school. Oh, high school, I know you from that's van life, you know? So, let's get to it. I'm gonna show you how to do it. This van's a little bit different. Typically I like to put these fans in the back of the van, but not on this one. This one doesn't call for that, all right? So I'm gonna put it right here where this little bump is. A lot of people put their fans here just because they feel like it's supposed to be there, but it's not supposed to be there. That bump is there for aerodynamics. It's supposed to help this van cruise down the road a lot faster. Taking that bubble out, it's gonna make the van go a little slow, get a lot less MPGs on this sucker, but once we put this fan there, this thing's probably gonna get 10 more miles to the gallon, typically the way it works. Recommend cutting out one of these. It's pretty fancy here. It's a 14 by 14 square. Made this about 7 years ago. I love it. It comes in handy. Forget cutting board, cutting the fans out, frisbee for my dog, versatile, all right? Keep everything in your shop versatile. Keep everything in your van versatile, all right? All right, so next step you're gonna wanna do is get yourself a ladder. Back in the day, didn't have a ladder. Now I do, so I use a ladder. I got TV money, baby. You know what I'm saying? I got a ladder. If you can't climb up with a ladder, you could probably jump, you could probably drive the van into you and pop over the hood. Might need an extra pair of hands. Yeah, I'm gonna use a ladder. So now you see, versatile board over the aerodynamic improver. I like to have a center line right at 7 on my 14-14, that's quick math, all right? We're gonna lay this thing in here, see where it lines up around here, perfect fit. We're gonna use some tape, because if you're doing this for a customer's van, you don't wanna scratch up this roof, make it look all terrible, scratched up. So I'm probably not gonna recommend you to a friend if you're doing that. If you're doing this on your own van, scratch it up. I don't care, couldn't care less. Next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna punch 3 holes in this. I like doing 3 holes. You can stick your jigsaw in. Make sure to get a good drill bit. I'm like this piece of crap. Now with my 3 holes, I can come across here, and I can come down and across. I don't have to do any turns with the jigsaw. Makes it nice and easy to do. Plenty of other ways to do it if you want to do it a harder way. All right, let's cut it out. So now that we know that it fits in there, we're gonna paint the edges so that they don't rust. But you know, you don't have to do this. You can let your van rust out. All right, so next thing in the recipe, beetle tape. Just gonna put it all the way around this thing. I got these pieces cut out. Fan on top, fan trim ring on top, and then we're gonna screw through fan trim ring roof to these. Sucking it in. Yeah, suck it in. Suck it. So, suck it in. That's gonna keep this thing nice and tight. All right, with that beetle tape squeezing in. That's gonna make it nice, watertight. After that, we're gonna do a little lap sealing, all right? Lap it up. You wanna always have 2 forms of protection. Listen there, kids, 2 forms of protection. Can't let anything seep through. Don't let it happen. Let's go do it. This part is nice to have a friend, but I don't have any. No friends. No friends here. Just make sure we're nice, long enough for this. This is what it is, the boy. Lap sealant, baby, it's the best. Number 1, man with his big face on it. And this stuff is just gonna drape over the sides. All right, that's all I have. Okay, so I gotta order some more. All right, so I ran out of lap sealant, but Yeah, so basically lap seal it up, make sure there's no gaps in between there. Fill it as you need. Should do it one try if you're legit. 2 bottles of lap sealant. I feel like for the fan, generally 1.5. Last part is you just stick the fan in there. Those little silver tabs on the trim ring, and then there's holes on the side of the fan, and you just put the provided shorter screw into there. It's locked down. Wire it up. There you go. You got the picture. I'm gonna go home, hang out with some friends, do a design code. Check us out.